This is a review on this 3-piece travel luggage set by SHOWKOO. Now, full transparency, this luggage set, it was sent to me for free in exchange for this review, but my review is completely unbiased as a heads up, because there's some things that I don't really like about the luggage set, which I'll get to in a couple of minutes here. Now, first off, it is a hard-shelled case here, made out of a really nice TPU, a hard shell material here. And I have the champagne color, which I really, really like. It makes it look really unique, and it comes in a lot of other colors as well on the listing on Amazon, which is really nice. So it makes it a lot easier to find your luggage. Now, this one here, this is the main piece of luggage here, and it also has a lock on the outside right here. Now, by default, this is the default combo right here. So it opens up just fine, and then if I were to turn the numbers, it locks just like that. I'm not exactly sure how to use this. That's one of the things that I'm not really a huge fan of, but that's okay. If you do a little bit of digging and research, I'm sure you could figure it out, but it's not something that I'm worried about, but it should be a little bit more clear as to how to use that. The strap on the top here is really nice and durable. It pivots in a really cool way so that when you pull it up, it kind of moves in like that. So it makes it a nice smooth motion, and it holds a lot of weight. And then as well as the, I think they're called like telescoping handles like this, the ones that go up, it goes up like that and it stays nice and put. And then it's really easy to maneuver like that. And then you just push the button down, slides in, and it stays locked in right there. It also has these feet on the very bottom here, which you would expect to see. Now, they are a plastic type material. They're not rubber like you would normally see. So these would slide a little bit more than you would expect. Not really the end of the world, just something that I wasn't expecting. All of the luggage fits in itself. So this is the second piece that's gonna come inside of here. And this is the inside of the luggage. I really like this blue color, really, really sharp. It's a little bit hard because my lights are making it a little bit brighter and a little bit more blown out than it actually looks. But it's really nice and soft and subtle and just very kind of elegant looking. It's really cool. You also have the straps on the inside here so that you can strap all of your stuff down. It has all the same features as well as, you know, the same zipper and the little feet on the bottom. And as far as the wheels go, the wheels, they pivot and they turn very smoothly and very fluidly. I really like how that feels. They roll very nicely, and the two wheels in and of themselves are separate. They're kind of on like a dual axis or a dual axle, I guess we'll call it. So they rotate independent of one another, which is really nice. They're really nice and soft, so they're really quiet when you roll it. Now, one thing that I'm not a huge fan of is the fact that all of it goes in itself. It's great for storage, sure, but after wheeling this around an airport and traveling with it, the last thing that I would want to do is, you know, go back and put my carry-on inside of this one right here. But I guess if you want to, you can. I just kind of think it's a little bit not my jam. But all in all, this is a really, really good luggage set. I'm really impressed with this. I hope this review was helpful for you.